Ensuring successful implementation, a new approach to your technology decisions. Businesses need to use marketing technology to stay competitive, but this challenges many companies. It doesn't matter whether you're running a small business or major company. You need to make sure your technology is correctly introduced and implemented. Only 8% of businesses feel that technology implementations have succeeded in the past. In our study, we found that successful implementation was down to the interaction between functional owners. Let's take a look at this in context. The communications cycle, a top-level approach. In its simplest form, the communications cycle runs from data through to a communications process, to interactions with the audience and back to data, thereby creating a loop or a cycle. It includes data store, one or many databases that may or may not be linked. Marketing, communications and management, where insight, intelligence and other data points combine to facilitate the creation and design of communications. Public interactions, a wide range of possible touchpoints, from digital through to customer service agents. There are blocks of energy in between that can be likened to factories. Individual machines and factories as a whole require an input and produce an output. Functional owners and managers. Individual machines in a technology block require detailed knowledge to be optimized. There is a need to define and separate functional ownership and management of the technology. Owner. Pays for the technology or whose KPIs include the ROI delivered on the technology. Manager. In charge of the configuration of day-to-day operation of the technology. For any single machine, there are at least 3 people who should have some role in making decisions about it. These people are the owner of the input activity area, the owner of the machine, and the owner of the output activity area. If the machine is deployed across 2 factories, this grows to 5 people. If it's deployed across 3, this grows to 6. What does this mean for decision-making? Businesses that fail to recognise stakeholders will struggle to make correct decisions and deploy technology effectively. It's important that the structure becomes about functions and roles, rather than titles. Before making a decision about technology, businesses need to understand which factories and machines or functions are being considered, who the owners or managers of those machines or functions are, create a protocol for the owners and managers to discuss requirements. Create a framework for setting priorities. Understanding the cycle enables your business to confront the challenges of the new marketing revolution and understand how approaches to the decision-making process must shift in order to drive successful implementation of technology.